Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions in your workouts? Like your body is on autopilot? Well, today we're going to change that. We're going to challenge your body to stay in control, even when things get tough. Stability and balance aren't just about standing still. They're about giving your muscles the control they need to move efficiently and safely. No fancy gym equipment needed, just your body, your focus, and the space you have at home. Welcome to Day 6 of the 15-Minute Physique. Today, we're shifting our focus to stability and balance training. Yesterday, on Day 5, we worked on progressive variations to challenge our muscles in new ways. We learned how small changes can make simple exercises more effective. Today, we'll take that same mindset and apply it to stability and balance. These exercises will help you feel more in control, more stable, and better equipped to move through your daily activities with confidence. Having strong stability and balance is the key to staying injury-free and moving better in everyday life. It's not just about holding a position, it's about controlling your body in any movement, whether you're standing, walking, or even picking something up. When your core, joints, and stabilizing muscles are strong, you feel more confident with every step you take. Improving your stability and balance can also prevent falls, reduce pain, and improve posture. It also helps you carry out daily tasks more efficiently, whether it's picking up groceries, carrying your kids, or simply getting in and out of a chair. Stability training is all about teaching your body to maintain control. When you challenge your stabilizing muscles, like your core, hips, and ankles, you improve your ability to move safely in any direction. This type of training also helps with coordination, which is crucial for daily activities. Research has found that when we work on stability, we recruit more of the smaller, stabilizer muscles. These muscles don't get as much attention in traditional exercises, but they play a big role in helping us maintain good posture and avoid injury.
Today, we'll be using simple, familiar movements and adding a twist to them, literally. These exercises will test your ability to hold positions, shift weight, and balance, helping you develop better control and stability throughout your body. First up, the single leg balance. Stand on one leg for 20 to 30 seconds. This simple exercise targets your ankles, hips, and core to improve balance and stability. Switch legs and repeat. As you hold the position, focus on keeping your body aligned and your core engaged. This move will improve your stability and help you control your body better during other activities. Next, we have the squat hold. Hold a squat position for 20 to 30 seconds. This exercise challenges your quads, glutes, and core while improving lower body stability. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees should stay in line with your toes. The deeper you go, the more your stabilizing muscles will engage, making the exercise even more effective. Then let's move on to the plank with leg raise. Hold a plank position and raise one leg for 5 to 10 seconds. This exercise activates your core and improves hip stability while also engaging your shoulders and back. As you raise one leg, keep your body as still as possible to maintain balance and control. Switch legs after each hold. Lastly, we'll do lunges with pause. Step into a lunge and hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds before switching legs. This helps stabilize the knees, hips, and core while improving control and balance. The pause at the bottom of the lunge engages stabilizing muscles, improving your ability to control each movement. When you practice stability and balance, you're working on improving muscle activation and joint control. Small adjustments in how you hold or move your body challenge stabilizing muscles, which helps your overall coordination. Studies suggest that these types of exercises can improve proprioception, or your awareness of where your body is in space, making everyday activities easier and safer. Over time, this type of training can enhance your posture, reduce stress on joints, and prevent injuries, making your body more resilient and capable in all situations. Today's workout strengthens core stability and joint control, balance and proprioception, coordination and muscular activation, posture and injury prevention. These benefits will help you feel more in control during everyday movements, whether you're lifting, bending, or walking. This is all about getting stronger and moving with confidence, right from the comfort of your home. Great job completing day 6. Today's training has laid the groundwork for better control and balance in your daily life. Tomorrow, we'll take it up a notch with some endurance conditioning to build strength that lasts. Make sure to rest, hydrate, and let your body adjust to what it's just learned. You're on the right track, and day 7 will bring even more progress.